there is a great deal of frustration in the public. The frustration born particularly of road conditions. Even as we walked to this nomination center, I was observing potholes in the road. Potholes that didn't happen overnight, potholes that were clearly created by heavy rains, water scouring the road. Of course, some of the road conditions that we have seen is just as a result of the age of the road. Right where we are in this community, which was built in the 60s, many of these roads were never repaired from the time they were built. The asphalt has reached its useful life. The road condition affected by weather and climate, affected by decades of underinvestment in the repair and maintenance of the road, but it's also affected by the country doing better.
Absolutely.
People adding on, building and buying more vehicles, which add to the wear and tear of the roads. Based upon the reports that come back to us, that the road situation is now at a crisis level. And we have to start to reflect that attention on roads in the budget. What is different now than 20 years ago, 10 years ago? What is different now is that the government is in a better position in terms of its management of the economy to not only make a promise that you're going to be pothole free by 2003, and there is no ways or means of doing that. What we are doing now is to make sure that we focus on the economy that gives us the wherewithal, the resources to be able to address the things that matter to you.
Amen.
There's a breakaway right now in West Rural St. Andrew, and I saw someone made a very funny video calling out to the Prime Minister to come and repair that road. The country should recall that there was a similar breakaway in Gordontown in East Rural St. Andrew a few years ago. A massive breakaway, and this administration repaired it, and repaired it in such a way that it will last for a very long time. There are those who would want to make it seem as if with a snap of a finger, these things can be addressed. They take a little time. So while I'm not asking for your patience, I am, however, asking for your understanding. Because once you start to develop an understanding of the problem, then you know how to deal with it. The road conditions are not as a result of a neglectful government. The road conditions are, as I have expressed, for many years you have elected governments that did not pay attention to fixing the economy to generate the revenues. And for many years you have accepted promises from those governments. I have tried to change that. I have tried to explain to you the reality, not to sugarcoat it, to tell you what really is the situation. And now, having explained it, I'm asking for your understanding of the situation.